This is my project for the challenge number 4. I created this LangQuiz. This project allows users to upload documents and then create a quiz based on this document. The goal of this project is to allow you to challenge yourself after you're reading your some book. So maybe you read some book and then you want to challenge yourself to make sure you understood the knowledge. You're going to upload this document here, and this application is going to create a quiz based on this document. So you can challenge yourself answering the questions and make sure that is correct or not. So I decided to call this LangQuiz. I created this email password, this interface just for the presentation. The login button is working, but authentication is not working because that's not that important for this project. Just artificial intelligence flow is more important here. This the but maybe in a product application, you're going to use authentication to make sure you're going to create quizzes for specific users. So let me click here, login. So you can use this drag and drop box here where you can upload your file. That's going to send this file to Langflow and then extract the topics, and then use lemma index to create vector index and summary index. And based on those index, that's going to create a quiz and then return this quiz as JSON, and then store that in a SQLite database that I created with Next.js and Prisma. And there is also a search documents here that's going to do a simple search just to find documents you uploaded in the past. When you have lots of documents here, you want to find a specific document. So I have, for example, simple contract here, range contract. I will upload that. So it's uploading the document. So after uploading the document, you can click the document and you can see a couple of questions that's asking about the specific documents. So that is the arranged contract, and I created 4 questions with 4 answers just for the presentation. So you can save and store these quests to use later. Erase that. I will upload a new document here. So this is psychological document. So it that you can see that creates a quiz related to psychology, another one related to the contract. So you can create dynamic quizzes based on your documents. So this application is really interesting. So you can close here, and I can, for example, filter the contract and another document. So yeah, that's it. That's my project. This is simple, but it's solving a pain, something that you want to use to study, and this is simple solving that. Next video, I will display my flow and explain how it's working. So this is the flow of my brush. That is just a simple file loader here that's going to receive the path for the file. And I created these custom components for the Llama index agent and the text output that's going to display and output the result as a JSON. I will show the code for this Llama index component. Just it's using OpenAI, connecting to the OpenAI code API, and then create an summary index and then a vector index. The summary index is just an index that's going to be responsible for the entire document summarization. So that is an expert in summarization, so to speak. And the vector index is more like specific parts of the document. So Llama index allows us to create two different index for different purposes. So I created this to index, summary index, vector index. I created a summary two and a vector two, and then I create this prompt just to list the main topic of the document in the language of the document. The document, if the document is in English, it's going to create the quiz in English. If the document is in Portuguese, it's going to create the quiz in Portuguese too. And then I created a prompt here to create the quiz, and I made sure to make ChatGPT follow the quiz format that I want to return back, so I can use this JSON format in a static way. If I don't put that, probably ChatGPT is going to create JSON in dynamic way, different ways depending on the request. So that's going to break my application. So to make sure that ChatGPT is going to follow my rules, I decided to use this format to return the JSON in the format that I'm expecting here. So that's basically that. And then returning the JSON and creating an application. This is a simple application that is solving a pain in the world. So by using artificial intelligence with Langflow, that's solving this problem in a simple way. I hope you like it.